Mom? Dad? Can anyone hear me? What is this place? Where am I? Brother, are you still there? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to be so scared back then. I didn't mean to embarrass you in front of your friends. But why did you do this to me? I wanted you to stop, but you didn't. I thought you'd loved me. I thought we were a team. You know how scared I was of that place. You know how scared I was of Foxy and Fredbear. These voices, that plushie, it just doesn't stop. Now all I see is darkness. All I can taste is blood. All I can hear are those screams and those sirens. If anybody can hear me, please let me out. I don't want to be here. I'm afraid of the dark. I just want to go home. I just want to be with my family. Why can't I go home? Why can't anybody hear me? Please don't leave me here. I mean, I don't want to die. I'm not going to die, am I? I'm going to live. I'm going to be with my family again. I'm going to live my happily ever after. Please, I won't die. Will I?